Hey guys, it's Jess and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a Copycat Wendy's chili recipe and I love it. I love Wendy's chili, love the taste of it, but I do not like beans. So I found this Copycat recipe and I started making it and it is so good. Start off this recipe by browning up 2 pounds of ground beef. You could do ground turkey if you wanted to. Sometimes I like to mix them with 1 pound of ground turkey and 1 pound of ground beef. And after I have browned that and drained the grease off, I go on to chop up my onions and green peppers and celery, add those in with my beef as well. And this is a super easy recipe. All you've got to do is just cook your meat, add your vegetables, and then add in all of your seasoning and your juices and let it simmer for a while. So after those onions are kind of translucent and that celery is pretty tender, I'm going to go ahead and add in all of my seasonings, mix that in really well. And I'll leave all of the measurements down below, but if you want to go back to the beginning of this video, you can screenshot how much seasoning I added of each one. Then I'm going to go on to add my tomato juice, and a can of tomato puree. Stir that really well and just put the lid on it and let it simmer. And while that's coming up to a simmer, I'm gonna cook some elbow macaroni, and I'm 100% on team noodles belong in chili. So you can let me know what you think down below if you think noodles belong in chili or they don't. And this soup is gonna simmer for several hours. So you at least want it to simmer for maybe 2 hours, but I feel like the longer this simmers, the better it gets. And then after your soup is completely done simmering and it's to the consistency you want it and the flavor you like, you're just going to add the chili into a bowl. I'm going to add it in with noodles, top it with some shredded cheese, some little crackers, and you're ready to eat. And thank you guys so much for spending some time with me today. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I hope you try out this recipe and you guys love it just as much as we do. But that's all for today, and I will see you in the next one.